Today's topic is Garrity versus New Jersey, the story behind this famous case and how it impacts police officers and suspects to this day. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with As Cops in Arizona. In 1961, in the townships of Belmar and Barrington, New Jersey, 6 officers, including Edward Garrity, were suspected of ticket fixing, which is a criminal offense where a public official destroys a ticket, either as a favor for friends or for a fee. The officers were interviewed, and although they were informed that their statements could be used to bring criminal charges and that they were not required to answer any questions, they were also told that they could be removed from office if they did not cooperate and provide statements. The officers, including Garrity, answered the incriminating questions, and their answers eventually led to criminal charges. Garrity and his fellow officers appealed their convictions, but they were upheld by the New Jersey State Supreme Court. In a 5-4 decision written by Justice Douglas, the United States Supreme Court overturned the convictions. The court held, quote, "We conclude that policemen, like teachers and lawyers, are not relegated to a watered-down version of constitutional rights," end quote. And the Supreme Court recognized that police officers cannot be compelled to testify against themselves in a criminal matter under the threat of removal from office. But before you think this means that officers can just remain silent when questioned about improper behavior, the Supreme Court did not go that far. Officers can be compelled to provide statements for administrative purposes and can be terminated based upon what their compelled statements reveal. Garrity simply recognizes that these compelled statements can't be used against the officers in criminal cases. This is why departments today bifurcate or separate criminal investigations from internal investigations, and why the results of compelled internal interviews are not allowed to be shared with criminal investigators. But be advised, Garrity does not protect voluntary statements. So if you're read Miranda, which means you're being asked to provide a voluntary statement, stop. Ask for a lawyer. Garrity makes it clear that you have that right. So now you know the background behind Garrity. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, follow, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel reach other officers like you. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.